Welcome back to Deli Bytes for another year. My name is Ali. This year, to kick things off, I've decided to make a short and sweet tutorial series on video editing. So if you're a beginner who's wanting to start to make video blogs or any social videos, this one's for you. On each of these episodes, I'll be taking you through different aspects of Premiere Pro software and teaching you some of the groundwork of video editing in Premiere. If you'd like to follow along and try your hand at editing, then you can download a free trial of Adobe Premiere Pro from Adobe's website or on the link below. So we're going to start by opening Premiere, and once it loads, we'll have to create a new project file. Name that file, select a source folder for the project to live in. This can be a folder on your computer or on an external hard drive that you can work off. It's best to have all of the relevant files such as video, images, music, all in the same main folder for the project, and then create a subfolder for the project file itself. This folder will house all of your autosaves and your master project file. Once you've done that, your project will open. So here are the main panels of Premiere Pro's workspace, which we'll be using in the future tutorial videos. Your project panel is on the bottom left-hand side of your editing workspace. This is where you'll be storing all of the media that you'll be using in your cut. The easiest way to import media is to drag and drop them into the project panel. You can then create a folder, or bins as they're called in Premiere, to sort your media. There are other sub-panels within the project panel, such as the effects panel, but we'll get to that in another Deli Byte. By double-clicking on your media, it will open up as a preview in the source monitor above it. Here you can press the play button or hit the space bar to play through your footage or sound, or you can just grab the playhead and scrub through to find something quickly. If you click and drag your media into this rectangular box called the timeline, a new sequence will be created and a clip that represents this timeline will appear in your project panel. Your media will be placed into either an audio or visual layer depending on the media. V represents video layers and A, audio. You can zoom in or out of the timeline by clicking and dragging the bars at the bottom, which will expand or shrink your timeline view. Alternatively, you can just hit plus or minus on your keyboard and your timeline should shrink or expand centered to where the playhead is hovering. Again, you can hit the spacebar to play your media or grab the blue line or playhead again to scrub through the media on the timeline. Your media on the timeline will play back as a preview shown up here in the top right on the program monitor. You can change the playback resolution by clicking on the drop-down menu on the bottom right of the program monitor. This is very useful if your footage is lagging or skipping and you want to have more seamless playback. Hope this video has been helpful, guys. If you have any questions or comments, then please feel free to contact us either via this video or maybe on our Facebook page or the website delyagency.com. And keep an eye out for more tutorial videos for video editing that I'm going to be making very shortly.